disclaimer first, you need to use this content legally, all right, to avoid copyright strike or any other form of strike on Facebook, YouTube, or whatever platform it is. But mostly, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money on Facebook. Since monetization has been brought to Nigeria, a lot of persons are making their money, while some persons are still trying to figure out what they can do in order for them to make money. I'm not looking for a way to make some extra cash to yourself or to make money on social media, but then you're afraid of sitting down and film a video the way I'm doing it. Okay, maybe for some reason there are a lot of things that actually make you not to like start creating content and make some money for yourself. Don't worry. So I'm going to tell you in this video how you can reuse content legally, and you are going to make some extra cash to yourself if you have followed this format. I'm going to show you in this video very well. Okay, so been getting a lot of questions from my friends, from people I know about how can they actually make money on Facebook. Is it by posting other people's video, or is it by creating their own content? Do they need to start creating their own content? Do they need to do this? But I told them, okay, don't worry. It's not just about you posting another person's video. Like, it's not just about you seeing me right now. I now carry this my video and go and upload it on Facebook. It's not just about you doing that, all right, because you might definitely be striked from copyright. There are ways in which you can do this stuff legally. Do you understand? For you to avoid being striked by Facebook, you do it in a way that looks professional. And that is why I make this video, to show you guys how you can do that. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of two editing apps. I'm going to make use of InShort, and I'm also going to make use of CapCut, because I know that some persons are using CapCut and some person love using InShort. Okay, so I'm going to make this video to favor you, irrespective of the kind of editing apps you are using on your phone. Okay, as for me, I love using CapCut, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to make it in the way that it looks matured. All right, so first thing first, I want to just add you guys to the other side of my screen. Please do well to watch this video to the very end. Okay, I always make my video to be well detailed. Just do well to watch this video to the very end. Don't look at how long this video might take, because I want to make it to be a well detailed tutorial. Just watch it to the end and grab what you want at the end of this video, right? So first thing first, I want to show you guys something before I actually proceed in making the video. So in case you want to venture into football videos, like reposting football videos on your page, you know that when it comes to playing football, you can't just stand one place and play football. People will be running around up and down. So what now happen if you want to like do some reaction video in that kind of aspect? All right, so I'm just going to use one of my video I did. Okay, I did a video for my pastor. He sent me the music he just released, and he asked me to like make some reaction video to it. So I'm just going to play that video using my other channel. Please, you can do well to follow my other channel, Afis Lifestyle and Vlogs. Okay, so I'm just going to use that video and show you guys an example, right? So let me just play that video for you guys to see the kind of stuff I'm talking about.
Hey guys, I've heard about Unmeasurable Love. This song is amazing, guys. I know you don't want to miss out, right? This song, everything, I so much love this song.
Please, what I really want you guys to focus on is those this video at the top, not the one at the down, because I didn't get to like touch the one at the down. Just look at this video at the top, right? So let's just wait for that to happen.
Right now, because you don't want to miss out on this song. So what are you waiting for? Just head over to your Boomplay, your Spotify, or even go to Google and search for Unmeasurable Love by Evangelist Samuel Google and download this music. Because why you don't want to miss out, right? Because if I'm to love this song, I know this you can also love this song, because this song is everything. Okay, so you can just see me vibing at this song, because why I so much love this song.
Can you guys see what is happening? The moment I noticed that the man was like moving to the like it was not coming to should I call it my right answer, I have to shift the video from where it was to this other side. That this actually happened maybe if you are into like football, the person cannot actually say one place and make a video, right? So this is how you can actually do this video at the top was actually I had to like move it to this other side. All right, so that's just by the way. So let's just head straight to the point and start editing our own video, right? So let's just head straight to the point and start editing with our own video. Okay, firstly I'm going to make use of CapCut. Please, if you have to get a video from TikTok, you know that TikTok has a watermark that carries the person username and TikTok logo, right? So if you want to like, maybe you have seen some videos or some short clips on TikTok, I actually want to like reuse this content. Please, I would advise you not to download the video directly from CapCut. All right. So I made a video now. You can actually download the video from TikTok without a watermark. Please do well to watch that video. Okay. Reason being that when you download these videos on TikTok that carries the person logo and TikTok, sorry, that carries the person username and TikTok watermark. Not saying that Facebook is not going to pay you or any other social media that you decided to like upload those video. But what it means is that that video does not looks original. Like I don't even know how to put it. Facebook will detect that you brought this video from another platform and they will make the video less visible. Less visible in the sense that they will not want to like showcase that video to many persons, okay? Because they will be like, you don't do the video like directly from you. You got it from another platform. You know that all these platforms they kicked against another platform. You cannot. It's not advisable for you to like even on this YouTube. It's not even advisable for you to post TikTok video that carries the TikTok logo and the person watermark like that on YouTube. You can actually use other way by copying the link, downloading the video, then you now come and upload it without the watermark or anything. Okay, I'm using CapCut first, so I'll just click on new project. Okay, I already have. I can actually use this my video here, guys. So I don't know about that. So I can actually use this my video is like of a kind of transition video I did when I was about to go to church. So it's like a kind of transition video that I did. You can see me right here. So I can actually make use of this video, right? So let's assume this video is on my video, or let's just assume this another person's video, right? And I want to like release this content because I love it. I love what the person is doing. If you are dancing, I love the dance and everything. All right. So you can actually react to these videos in two ways. You can actually use pictures to react, and you can actually use videos to react to videos. All right. So let's assume I want to use a picture first. So what I need to do is to click on overlay and click on add overlay. So when I click on add overlay, so right here, I'll just come to, let me just go to my photos and I'm just going to pick one of my pictures right here. And I'm actually going to use, okay, let's say I want to make use of this, my picture. I'll just click on add. So when I click on add, this is the picture right here. All right. So first thing, we need to remove the background of this very particular picture. I'll click on auto remover. Okay. And let's just give it a little time to do that. You can see that the background has been successfully removed. I'm actually using CapCut Pro. All right. So if you need CapCut Pro, you can just comment in the comment section. CapCut Pro. I actually made a video on this, but YouTube decided to like take down that video and I got a warning based on this video about using CapCut Pro, right? So if you actually want to do that, you can just leave that in the comment section, and I'm going to tell you how you can contact me for that. It's free of charge. I'm not charging anyone, right? So that's that for that. So what you need to do, I'll just click on this mark. I just need to like drag this picture to where I want it to be. Let's assume I want this picture to be here. I'll just go ahead and drag it to where I want it to be. So what you need to do here is just to let me go back. What you need to do here is just to highlight the pictures. Let me see if I will see where it says like how I can actually extend this picture to the end. Let me see if I will see any option like that. Okay, I don't actually see something like that. So I'm just going to use my hand to extend this picture to the length I want it, right? So if I want this picture to stay till the end of this very particular video, so I'll just use my hand to like extend it and make it happen. And this CapCut Pro does not have watermark, okay? So you can see my picture right there. So after putting my picture, let's still assume I have a video I want to use also, right? So I'll just go ahead and click on overlay. So when I click on overlay, I'll come to my videos and I'm just going to choose any video that I want to use for the very particular video. So the video you want to put, it might be that if you want to the video you want to like overlay, if that is the video you want to be talking about, the main video you uploaded, fine. But if it's not what you want to be talking about, the main video you uploaded, you just whenever you bring in the video, what you just need to do is just to go ahead. I don't know, my network is a bit slow, guys. So this is the video we actually bring in. All right, so this is the first one, so I'll just zoom it up, and this other one. But don't fool your, like, don't make it look so, I don't know, so it's too much. Like I actually decide to like bring this one down here. So when I bring this one down, let's say you want to be talking on this video. This is a video you want to be like saying what is happening in this main clip. So what you just need to do is just to align the main clip, click on volume and reduce the volume, right? So if you want what is showing on the main video you uploaded to be heard by people, then this other reaction video that you make, just put in here and remove the volume. So from there you can get to like add text to it. Okay, you won't believe what you will see in this video, or watch this video to the end. You won't believe, like, just try to like say something that spice up curiosity in the eye of your viewer, that will make them to like stick around to watch that video to the very end. Okay, something like that. And trust me, after everything, you can just get to like we have this other option. What is it being called? Say, we have splice. Okay, you can actually splice this video. No, no, my network is a bit bad. Okay, let's just see that. So it will now be as if it is the splice is that you have to like reduce some part of the video. You can see this option here. So you can actually see this option here, but that one you need to like put it in the main video. So I can actually do something like this, and that's that. For that, you choose the effect that best suits the video, and you reduce the transparency or the opacity or whatever it is. You can see the normal video, then you splice it into the main video, and just go ahead and hit on those export button and save in your video. You can actually want to add some text to it. If you need some transitions, animation, you just need to play around with it. You don't need to know much about editing before you can actually do this, right? So that's that for CapCut. So let's move over to my InShot app. I'll just open it. I'll click on video. I'll click on new project, and let's bring in the video I want to use. I need something that is very short. Like, we can still go with the first video. I'll click on this mark. So for you to like bring in your overlay video, you just need to go ahead and click on PIP. So when you click on PIP, you can either choose to um pick a video or a photo, whichever way you want. Okay, any one that you want, you can just come ahead here, and let's just say I need something like this, and you're just going to pick it. So when you pick it, you are going to remove the background of this video. So you click on cut out. So when you click on cut out, you drag it to where, please, when you click on cut out, you see this place that is counting, that looks like human being. It's actually counting. Okay, allow it to count to 100 so that it will successfully remove the background, right? So let's just wait for that to happen, and let's just give it a little time for it to come up, and let's just do that. Okay, it has been cut out successfully, and let's play the video. So I will need to like reduce the size of this overlay. All right, so I will need to reduce the size, and let's say I want the overlay video to play and I don't want the main video to play. I'll just alight on the main video and do what, reduce the volume to 0, and let's just, okay, can you see? Can you see? Okay, so that's that for that. As simple as that. You just like get to like add some text to it, some write up, some animation. If you don't want the overlay picture to start immediately with the first clip of the video, this is what you can actually do. So let's click on that, and you're going to drag this to where you actually want it to start. Okay, so when you start the video, this main video might be playing, while later on the overlay video will now start playing. Can you see this guy? So as simple as that. If you want to add picture, you click on those PIP, you bring in the picture that you want to add. That's the picture. Let's assume I want to add this. So you bring in the picture and actually click on cut out to remove the background for it to look original. After the background, I'll now be left with this my picture. I can see it right there. Very, very simple and very, very easy. Then if you want to like be recording yourself at the same time while you are like editing those videos, you can just go to your Play Store and download a screen recorder. You can use a power recorder because it's actually going to record your face and record what you are doing on the screen at the same time. So guys, here come the end of this very particular video. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Was it helpful? Are you going to try it out? And don't forget to like and share this video to get so as many person that might be needing this kind of video right now. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. You know I love you guys, right? So bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.